Good morning from Korea! Maaga kaming gumising today kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung itinerary namin. We started the day with a quick breakfast sa convenience store because honestly, iba talaga yung vibe ng convenience stores dito. Simple lang pero sobrang sarap ng food and nakakatuwang mamili ng kung ano-ano. After that, we headed to Ewa Studio to rent our premium hanbok. We booked ours through Klook, and if you're planning your trip too, you can use my code KLOOKROSE for discount. There were so many beautiful designs to choose from, but I ended up picking a yellow hanbok since it's my favorite color. And here's Yaji's choice. Blue yung favorite color niya. Tapos, ayun, super bagay sa kanya, di ba? Then we made our way to the Gyeongbokgung Palace where we met up with our photographer for the day. He took so many beautiful photos of us and honestly, the whole experience felt so enchanting. Parang diretso sa isang K-drama scene. Here are the sample shots that he took. O, di ba? Sobrang ganda. After the shoot, we walked around Bukchon Hanok Village for a bit. Ang ganda sana mag-explore na matagal pero sobrang init talaga that day kaya hindi na rin kami nagtagal. By lunchtime, gutom na kami so we ate at Yellow Cook. Here's Yaji randomly dancing his favorite dance while waiting for our food and nung dumating na, grabe, sobrang sarap and sulit talaga. Next stop, we're headed to Namsan Tower. We rode the cable car going up and enjoyed the view along the way. And of course, hindi mawawala ang Lovelock tradition so we bought one and wrote a short message on it. And then nahanap ni Yaji yung Lovelock ko from 2024 which made me really happy. So instead of placing our new lock somewhere else, kinabit namin yung bagong Lovelock namin mismo sa Lovelock ko. Such a cute full circle moment, right? After that, we headed to the Han River and rented bikes. Ang daming tao pero sobrang saya lang magbike habang chill yung atmosphere and ang ganda ng weather that time. And to end this very long but fun day, we treated ourselves to some delicious Korean chicken for dinner. Definitely one of those days na pagod ka na sa dulo pero alam mo sobrang worth it every second. Yun lang, bye!
I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time for
Hi guys! Merry Christmas! Say hello to my Fimfall! But this video is not about my Fimfall. It's about unboxing my first ever advent calendar. Ta-da! Ang laki niya, di ba? This is actually from Realme and I've worked with them for a couple of times na. So, thank you so much Realme for being so real to me. Anyway, ang corny. Thank you so much kasi naisip niyo pa ako at pinadala niyo ako nito. Ang bigat nito. Oo. So, sana may cellphone, tablet. Hindi sa itong nasa akin pero ngayon ko pala siya ma-open. So, let's go! Pagka-open, ito ang bubungad sa ating lahat. Meron tayong 12 boxes na pwedeng i-open and may nakikita akong napakalaking box dyan. Feeling ko tablet yan. Tapos itong 5 na yan, pahaba yan. Ibig sabihin, cellphone yan. Number 1, stickers. Realme stickers. For number 2, we have a 2-in-1 USB cable. So, thank you so much, Realme. Number 3, ito na ang pinakamalaking package. Uy, mabigat siya! Kasi parang kasya. Tablet ba yan? Mukha ba tablet yan? Hindi. Guys, it's a life and hair dryer. Really pinapakilig nga ako. Nagulo na yung box. We have number 4. It's a sunglass. Oh, it's from Baobab. 8 more boxes, guys. So, nandito na tayo sa number 5. At yung sinasabi ko parang cellphone kasi ang haba niya. Pero I feel like hindi siya cellphone kasi ang gaan niya. So, sino ka naman dyan? Alam ng Realme na pawisin akong girly. So, they gave me a Tech Life handheld fan tool. Number 6. It's a keychain. O, a tag keychain. Ta-da! Merry Christmas daw. 7. Another keychain. Shut up. Kamukha ba kami? 8. This is big. Okay, let's open it. Ang cute! It's a Meow Cuckoo bag charm. Labubo yarn. Number 9. Blank new. Blank new? Blank no eh. Ano ba? For number 9, we have this cord or a phone strap or, I don't know, a knot cord from Blank New. Last 3 boxes. For number 10, we have a quick FX sunscreen. Thank you so much, Realme. For number 11, we have... Wait, may isa pa. Ooh. Anong tawag dito? ganito. Ganon, oh. Ganon. It's a pop socket. Tapos, this one, for gaming siya. Samid! Me. We're down to our last box. For number 12, we have... Oh! Ano yan? A perfume. It's from Aficionado. So here are the things that I got from the Advent calendar. Thank you so much, Realme. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to work with you this year. Sana next year din. Thank you po! And Merry Christmas to all!
Hi everyone! So recently, Yaja and I, nag-splurge kami sa mga clothes kasi we feel like, you know, kailangan lang namin ng mga bagong damit. Tapos, kasi sakto sa akin, nag-closet cleanup ako. Tapos, I was looking for clothes na pwede pang everyday, pang casual, but at the same time, pwede pang events. We went to different stores sa MOA like Zara, Uniqlo, H&M, 8 Seconds, and many more. And guess what? I ended up buying from one store lang. From Uniqlo! Guys, hindi po to sponsor, pero... Uniqlo, baka naman. Pero ayun, yung mga damit kasi sa Uniqlo, pasok na pasok siya sa budget ko, and it just fits my style. So without further ado, here's everything I got from Uniqlo. Okay, so first on the list, this polo shirt na long sleeves. It's very basic, pero it's giving preppy meets streetwear. Next is JW Anderson na long sleeve polo. Yaji picked this for me, and at first I was very hesitant na sukatin and bilhin to kasi feeling ko hindi talaga to bagay sa akin, pero pinilit niya ako. Sabi niya, try mo lang. Tapos pagkasukat ko, I saw the vision na sinasabi niya, and nagustuhan ko na rin. And kapag may nagustuhan ako, I buy it again in another color. Like, ang nagustuhan ko talaga sa polo na to, it's giving modern, bright, daytime, very clean look. Pero at the same time, it's effortless and very polished. Okay, next, this is one of my favorites. This is the Milano Rib sweater. Nakatingin na to sa isa kong video, and I just love this. Sobrang comfy niya, hindi siya mabigat sa katawan, hindi siya makate, hindi siya mainit sa pakiramdam, you know, and... wala, ang sarap niya lang suotin. And of course, we had to get a t-shirt kasi sa t-shirt talaga ako comfortable. When I saw this, alam ko na bagay sa akin to and magugustuhan ko to. Medyo bago sa paningin ko yung color, pero I still loved it. Ang ganda ng combination. Plus, I think this is really best for those days na comfort is my number one priority. And again, pag may nagustuhan ako, I'll get it in another color. O, diba? Sobrang cute. Last but not the least, this utility jacket. And out of all the clothes that I got, this is probably the best and my most favorite. Sobrang high quality ng material. It's heavy. It's not cheap. Tapos, it's giving industrial, cool, edgy, streetwear vibes. And... wala, perfect lang siya for a finishing touch piece. Ganda, diba? And doon na po nagtatapos ang ating haul. Special thanks kay Yaji for helping me decide which one should I get. So, thank you, baby. Ayun po. See you on my next one. Bye!
Rin, emergency. Ano na namang nasunog mo? Hindi apoy, kundi puso ko. Kasi nag-aalab yung puso ko. Nag-text yung crush ko. Sabi niya, can we talk? Yun tayo eh. Kapag bigla nag-chat yung crush, nagpapanik. Grabe, nung nabasa ko yung message niya, para ako nagpanik bigla. Parang biglang yung mga hinahanap ko nawawala. Like, hindi ko mahanap yung lipstick ko. Ganon. Because you panic for sport. Ay, buti na lang meron akong ganito. The Focalier Lip Liner.
This is the Focalier Fuller Sculpt Lip Liner. Claims to be smooth, precise shaping, creamy glide, long-wearing formula, and natural-looking definition.
Basta kapag kaharap mo siya, ngumiti ka lang ng maayos, relax your mouth, okay? Ganito ba? Ang pangit mo. Sayo mo talaga maging best friend, no?
Hey babe, how was your day?
It was good. Some guy called me cute today, though.
Well, can't blame him, he's right.
Aw, thanks for not being jealous, babe. I'll see you later today.
Okay babe, I'll see you later. Sorry about that. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. I don't know why I just lied. I am gonna hurt you, I guess.
My photos are a bit boring. I think you need my help. What do you know about editing, Leo? Well, I know Hypic. Hypic
Let me show you.
Did you know your phone can actually shoot like a digital camera now? With real flash, real texture, and that retro digicam vibe you love, the photos already look good straight from the camera. No edits needed. And this is Hypink.
This is so nice. Thank you, Leo.
Thank you. I only accept coffee and pastry.
Sure.